Everyone, today I'm going to show you a magical neck exercise sequence for any kind of pinchy, hypermobile necks, or even just stiff necks. Now, I used this on a client from a virtual perspective. She had tight neck flexion, she had a pinchy neck extension, side bend rotation. Now, her neck range of motion was full and optimal, but she was having this pain and discomfort through the entire range. So this is what we simply did. Got a towel, place it around kind of the stiff parts or the uncomfortable parts that she had, and we moved into neck extension. So she would look up and I would just lift the towel up towards the ceiling and come on back down. So we're just creating a little bit of a guide over the joints and creating some space. So we're allowing the joints to kind of traction and glide up and over rather than fall and compress. And then for her rotation side bend, it was a little bit pinchy to the left. Same deal. We're just going to use the towel and we're going to side bend a little to the left. So I'm going to block with this left hand. I'm just going to pull up on the towel and I'm going to breathe. And I'm not pulling into anything painful, but I'm just gliding. So I'm using the muscles on the left to pull and then just assisting with a little bit of a side bend. And then for rotation, again, block on the left side here and I'm going to pull across. I'm looking to the left and coming back. Okay. Look to the left, come back. All we did, 5 reps on each one. And then grabbing a band to lock and strengthen all those new muscles and those new ranges. So we're going to go into some protraction with the shoulders, retraction with the neck, left to right for rotation. And then for extension, we're going to look up, all the way up, and then all the way down. So we're strengthening the neck extensors in the short range. With the inhalation, exhale with flexion. 5 reps, that's all it takes. Doesn't take a lot of time to unlock. We just need to change the input a little bit, teach the neuromuscular system to say it's okay to move into these ranges, and then lock in with some strength. And all of a sudden, neck feels good. So that was today's neck magic exercise sequence. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. If you have any problems, shoot me a message.